Okay, children, what we'll do? Understanding into shapes, part 4. Okay. Now, we learned what is an angle in the previous session. What is an angle? Angle is formed when two rays meet at a point. So, OA and OB may be two rays. OA and OB intersect at common point O. So, there will be angle formed that is AOB. That's an angle. Now, what is acute angle, obtuse angle, and a reflex angle? When an angle formed is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. What is acute angle, children? An angle formed is less than 90 degrees. It is called acute angle. What is obtuse angle? When an angle formed is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degrees, it is called obtuse angle. When an angle is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degrees, it is called obtuse angle. What is a reflex angle? What is reflex angle? When an reflex angle is an angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Reflex angle is an angle greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. That is called reflex angle. See here I have given pictures of two acute angles. 45 degree, which angle it is? I told you know when the angle is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. So 45 degree will be acute angle. 54 degree. 54 degrees angle which is less than 90 degree once again. So this will be a acute angle. 54 degree is a acute angle. Next, fear of a obtuse angle. What I told you, obtuse angle is angle which is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. It is called obtuse angle. Picture of a reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. And when an angle is greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree, it is called reflex angle. Okay. We'll do some exercise. 5.3 class 6 maths question 1. Match the following. Straight angle. Straight angle is two right angles or half revolution. Straight angle is an angle which is equal to 90 degree. When the angle formed is 180 degree, when an angle formed is 180 degree, it is called straight angle. Or two right angles or half a revolution. Right angle is an angle formed is when an angle formed is 90 degree, it is called right angle. Okay, or 1/4 revolution also we can tell. Right angle is an angle formed when an angle formed is 90 degree, it is called right angle. Acute angle, when an angle formed is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. When an angle formed is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle which in angle formed is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, it is called obtuse angle. When an angle is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, it is called obtuse angle. Reflex angle means when an angle is greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree, it is called reflex angle, right? Given solutions here. Straight angle is half revolution. How? Straight angle means when an angle formed is 180 degree, it is called straight angle, or half revolution means why? Half revolution means 2 1/4 revolution. 1/4 revolution is what? 90 degree. 2 1/4 means 90 plus 90, that is 180. Or straight angle. Straight angle is angle formed when it is 180 degree, it is called straight angle or half of a revolution. Right angle. Right angle is 1/4 of a revolution. 1/4 revolution means 90 degree. What is right angle? When an angle formed is 90 degree, it is called right angle. Acute angle, less than 1/4 of revolution. What is acute angle? When angle formed is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle, or less than 1/4 of revolution. What is 1/4 revolution is 90 degree. Therefore, less than 1/4 of revolution is called acute angle. What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is an angle greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. That is called obtuse angle. That is between 1/4 and half revolution. 1/4 revolution is 90 degree, half revolution is 180 degree. So between 90 and 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. Reflex angle is an angle greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. So more than half a revolution. Reflex angle is more than half a revolution. More half a revolution is what? 180 degree, and that is why reflex angle is called more than half a revolution. So here exercise 5.3 question 2. What is a figure A? You have to find out what angle these are. Either it is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, straight angle. Which angle you have to find out. So looking at figure A, what can you make out? Angle is less than 90 degrees. So that will be called acute angle. Acute angle is angle less than 90 degree. B is a obtuse angle because looking at the figure we can find out angle is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. That is called obtuse angle. C, in the figure C, you find that is L shape is coming now. L shape means it is 90 degree or it is a right angle. C is a right angle. D, you can looking at the figure you can make out that it is figure angle is greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. So that is a reflex angle. E is a straight angle. It is 180 degree. F, again, we can find out that angles are less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. So again, solutions here, exercise 5.3, question 2 solution. First A is acute angle, B is obtuse angle, C is right angle, D is a reflex angle. Why A is acute angle? It is less than, angle formed is less than 90 degree. That is it's an acute angle. B, why it is obtuse angle formed is greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. That is why it is an obtuse angle. C is a right angle because angle formed is 90 degree here. D is a reflex angle. Why? Angle formed is greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. That is why it is called reflex angle. E is a straight angle because angle formed is 180 degree. That is why it is a straight angle. F is acute angle because angle formed is less than 90 degree. Okay. We'll continue with the next part in the next session.